Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, December 1st. Today, the first thing you need to do is go and check in on campus. And then after you're done with that, we need to go over some research reminders and rules to make sure that you are getting your information and your articles that you're looking for this from credible sources. So what you need to do first is go through and watch this video. It's called the CRAP test. It's for getting reliable sources. Some of you may have watched it last year, but it's a good reminder. So go through and watch it. It should take you to this. It's about 10 minutes long, and take some notes as you go. It's just me talking about the CRAP test. Then after you're done taking notes, then you need to sign up for Newsguard. So you'll want to copy this link here, or that code, and then open up a new tab and type in Newsguard extension, and that will bring you here. Click on this and then hit Add to Chrome, add extension, and then I already have it all installed on my stuff, so it didn't ask me for the code. But it will probably ask you for a code. So if it asks you for a code, this is your code so that you can get it free. What it does is it rates all of the news sites so that you have a better idea of whether or not it's a credible news source or not. So when I go to Google News, it ends up looking like this, where I have all these little tags here. This is Newsguard, so it goes through and it tells you which sources are credible. If it has a red one, which none of these do, but if it has a red one, that means it's really bad. It also gives it a score. So like you can see here, the Washington Post, if you click on it, it gives you a score out of 100. So 100 out of 100 is obviously really good. It looks at things for credibility, like repeatedly publishing false content, whether it gathers and presents information responsibly, regularly corrects or clarifies errors, handles the difference between news and opinion, and avoids deceptive headlines. It also looks at transparency issues, like whether or not the website discloses ownership or clearly labels advertising or reveals who's in charge. So those things are all important when it comes to finding a reliable source. When you're looking for your articles, I would like you guys to keep it above 80. So like Fox News here gets a green check, but it is lower than 80. So it didn't do well where gathering and presenting information responsibly and handling the difference between news and opinions. So that one would be out then. So keeping it 80 or above is going to help you get some sources that are really, really good, that are going to be more reliable than if you are just picking at random. So go through when you're looking and check out which sources are good, which sources are bad, or which sources are more credible than the others. So you'll be using this tomorrow when you start looking for your articles that you are going to read. After you've watched the video and you've signed up for Newsguard, then you are good for the day. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later.